Are you ready to become a Google Cloud expert? Welcome to GCP Masters, where we bring you the ultimate Google Cloud training program, complete with real-world experience, hands-on project, and live cloud-based campaigns. Since 2015, GCP Masters has been Hyderabad's most trusted institute for delivering cutting-edge cloud training. Our expert trainer Nagababu brings over 15 years of Mindset experience to guide you through a 100 job-oriented program designed to get you hired quickly. In just 2 months, you can gain expertise equivalent to 1-2 years with hands-on experience in multiple real-time GCP projects and live campaigns. Plus, we offer a guaranteed internship until you secure your dream job. With 3-4 hours of daily lab practice and one-on-one mentorship, you'll receive personalized guidance and complete project support throughout your journey. Our program provides access to over 100 GCP certification, interview questions, and unlimited batch access for 365 days. We also cover advanced topics needed in the industry and provide exclusive access, paid GCP tools, accredited certification, and continuous support until you land your job. Gain in-depth knowledge, hands-on skills, and a certificate recognized worldwide. Visit us at GCP Masters and enroll now to start your cloud journey. Join GCP Masters, Hyderabad top cloud training institute, and kickstart your cloud journey today.